This is Luke Rudkowski of We Are Change.org here in Tokyo, Japan, at the busiest intersection of the world. And I'm joined by the one and only Roger Ver. Now, there's many ways I could, describe Roger, but he's known as the Bitcoin Jesus. There's a reason he has that name. He's doing a lot of amazing things. You can definitely check out Bitcoin.com. And in this video, we're going to talk about a lot of important developments, exciting developments when it comes to the cryptocurrency world. Now, Roger, Bitcoin jumped like 26% within the last 30 days. Like, how and why, and what's going on?
I think it's up another 3% today, so we're looking at about 29% for the month. So Bitcoin's just getting more and more popular all over the world. More and more people are using it. More and more people are finding it useful in their daily lives. They're using it to save 20% at every single Starbucks in the US, Canada, Australia, just by using foldapp.com. You can save 20% at Starbucks by paying in Bitcoin right now today.
Now, there's also exciting developments because PayPal and eBay, they said they're also going to be implementing it. How so, and why now?
Yeah, they already have. Businesses, the writing's on the wall. Every business can see it coming right now. Bitcoin is coming to the mainstream. More and more businesses are going to have to use it, and those that don't are going to die. Right now, there's a conference going on in Las Vegas called Money 2020. If you check the Twitter hashtag Money 2020, the very top tweet for that entire thing is about Bitcoin.
Wow, see, I didn't even know about that. I heard about that conference. I was supposed to go there. But there's also like some conflicts happening within the whole Bitcoin community because they're talking about expanding the blockchain and the internet not being able to have the capacity to load out all the blockchains as well. What is happening with this debate, and what are the two opposing sides?
So right now, the maximum number of transactions that Bitcoin can handle per second is 7 transactions per second. There's lots of different ways that can be increased. One of the real quick and easy ways to do that would be by increasing the Bitcoin block size. Every 10 minutes, right now it's 1 megabyte. We can increase that to 8, 20, or even more than that. And then you can instantly fit a whole bunch more transactions. Another way is there's a special technology called the Lightning Network that you can fit a bunch of transactions in there, but that's not ready quite yet. That'll take some more time. Both of them, I think, are fantastic ideas, but the big problem is that one particular person controls a lot of the platforms where people are debating these issues, and rather than allowing people to debate these out and in the open, they're basically deleting anybody from posting and advocating for bigger blocks. And anybody that mentions the deleting or the suppression of these ideas, their posts get deleted or their accounts get banned as well. And in the free flow of ideas, you need to let people express themselves and have open debate and decide which way is the right way to do things. And having one side just deleting all the posts from another side, that's not the right way to do that. So a couple months ago, I set up Bitcoin.com. We have a forum, we have news, we have a wiki, we have everything you need so you can discuss all these issues out in the open. And if you don't agree with me, go and post it there. I'm not going to delete your account, right? If you have reasons for what you believe and you're not just posting ad hominem attacks like you're stupid or you're ugly or you're dumb, give the reasons why the person's stupid or dumb, we'll let the post stay. So come on over to Bitcoin.com, get involved right now today. If you're new to Bitcoin, there's all the information you need to learn why it's useful in your own life and why it's going to change the entire world. And it's literally one of the most important inventions in the entire history of humankind.
It's definitely interesting to see the development and throughout the years, the kind of up and down spiral. It seems like it's an up right now. And geopolitically, if you've been paying attention to our channel, you know that the world dollar reserve currency is in trouble. A lot of people are looking at Bitcoin, a lot of people are looking at other alternatives. But where do you see everything kind of going? Because I know, like, you're Bitcoin Jesus. What does Jesus prophesize when it comes to Bitcoin? Because with this game, as we know, it's extremely unpredictable.
Yeah, it seems really clear to me. With Bitcoin, you can put your faith in the laws of mathematics. With dollars or euros or yen, you can put your faith in politicians. And time again, we see that the politicians are a bunch of liars that are willing to drop bombs on hospitals and tell troops to go murder people in other countries where they've never met any of those people ever before. Bitcoin is the new currency of peace. Dollars and euros and yen are the currency of war, and you have to trust a bunch of politicians. I want nothing to do with those sorts of currencies. I want to use Bitcoins because it's the currency of peace.
Now, we were also talking about Bitcoins here in Tokyo. They really haven't taken off because I kind of see it the way you described it as a societal kind of effect. How do you see Bitcoins here in Tokyo, and what has been like the public's response to Bitcoins?
The big problem in Japan is that the mass media, a lot of your viewers may already know about Mt. Gox, which was one Bitcoin business, a Bitcoin exchange that was using Bitcoin and went bankrupt. One company out of thousands, tens of thousands of businesses that are using Bitcoin today went bankrupt. the Japanese mass media reported it as Bitcoin has gone bankrupt. And then when the CEO of that one company that was using Bitcoin got arrested, the Japanese mass media reported it as the CEO of Bitcoin has been arrested. And so most Japanese people think that Bitcoin has gone bankrupt and the CEO was arrested, whereas anybody that's paying attention realizes that no, just one company in Bitcoin went bankrupt and one CEO of that company was arrested.
And now, like, Bitcoin has also been a huge help for me because when YouTube and Google and AdSense have been censoring me, a lot of people with Bitcoins have been sending in donations and they helped sustain this operation. So I definitely have to thank all the people who've been using Bitcoin and helping us out. And it's really just fascinating, and it's getting more user-friendly as well.